Ever wondered what keyword research is and how it could elevate your online presence? It's a crucial tool that paves your way to better search engine rankings and increased visibility. Stay tuned to understand the step-by-step process of keyword research. Dive into the world of keyword research with these simple steps. Start by identifying keywords relevant to your content. Next, analyze their competitiveness, which includes understanding search volume, difficulty, and current ranking sites. Finally, integrate these keywords organically into your content, ensuring readability is not compromised. Master these steps, and you're already one step ahead in your SEO journey. Let's summarize what we've learned about keyword research. It's paramount for SEO and fuels online business growth. Remember, keyword research is not just about SEO, it's about understanding your audience better. Explore Authority Solutions' SEO offerings, boost your online presence. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to stay updated with more SEO insights.